For the next epic DIY, we need a bunch of cork stoppers. Wondering why? Well, that's because we're gonna make super cool sailboats using 3 objects that you already have at home. They're so much fun to play with, or you can have them as pretty summer decoration in your room. You'll need a piece of paper, a toothpick, and some cork stoppers. To make the hull of our sailing boat, I'm gonna stick 9 corks together. Grab a glue gun and stick 3 corks on top of each other to get sort of a cork tower. Wait till the glue sets and it's time to build the cork tower number 2. As said, I'm using 9 corks for my boat. But if you want to make a smaller boat or have larger cork stoppers, 3 or 4 may be enough. To finish up the body of our ship, we need to glue the 3 cork sticks together. Apply a long stripe of glue and press together the first 2 cork sticks. Do the same with the third one and the body of our boat is ready. But since we're making a sailboat, we also need a sail. Take a piece of cardboard paper and cut out a triangle shape with scissors. Then grab a hole puncher and make 2 little holes on 2 of the triangle corners. Take a toothpick, slide it through the holes, and the sail for our boat is finished. All that's left to do is to stick it in the middle of the boat's body and our sailboat is ready to sail the seas of the world. No, but seriously, this sailboat is so exciting and fun to play with. I also made some colorful boats by spray painting the body. They turned out so cute. Of course, I got obsessed and had to make them in pink, yellow, and green. I always want to try out all the colors. Have these cool sailboats as gorgeous room decorations or have fun playing in the water. You can even make them with friends, put them in a river and see whose boat is fastest and wins the race. With these sailboats, your summer days will never get boring, guaranteed. If you have a problem keeping your room tidy, this life hack will help you out for sure. We'll make an awesome sunglasses display in just a few seconds. Take a clothes hanger. I decided to go for the pink one because what else, right? Here you can stack all your favorite sunglasses. Take the glasses and hang them on. To make your hanger even cuter, you can decorate it with ribbon, pom-poms or stickers. I decided to add this fluffy pom-pom. Now that's what we're talking about. Hang it on the wall and voila! Your favorite sunglasses are always on hand and neatly organized. This honestly looks so pretty. A storage idea and a gorgeous room decor piece in one. Who remembers my candy glasses from the Halloween video? Yep, they're one of my faves. I'm super happy with how this glasses organizer turned out and most importantly, I'm glad that from now on I'll always know where my sunnies are. There's no real summer without beautiful summer clothes in our closet, right? I'll show you how to recycle an old pair of jeans using bleach. That's right, you can write, draw and make gorgeous colorful designs using bleach. You'll need an old dark pair of jeans, bleach, water, cornstarch, bright colored fabric markers and scissors. Unfold your jeans and cut them into shorts. You can make yours as long or as short as you like. I'm cutting mine quite low as I want to make cuffed shorts, so I need a couple of inches of extra fabric. When both sides are cut, roll the edges up 2 or 3 times. There we go, brand new shorts out of jeans in less than a minute. But we need to make them way cuter, so it's time to decorate with bleach. Let's prepare some bleach gel. Make a double boiler by pouring some water into the pan and place in a smaller heat-proof pot. Pour in half a cup of water and add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well to combine the ingredients. Keep stirring and after a minute or 2 the mixture will start to thicken up. When you get the gel-like consistency, remove it from the heat and add about 2 tablespoons of bleach. Mix well to combine and pour your bleach gel into a squeeze tube or a plastic bag. Make a knot or secure it with an elastic like me and snip away the corner. The DIY bleach gel pen is ready, so let's decorate our shorts. I decided to draw pretty hearts all over mine. Drawing with bleach gel is super easy, just squeeze the plastic bag slightly to release some gel. When you're happy with your design, wait for the bleach to set. This takes about an hour, but the longer you wait, the whiter your fabric will get. Take a piece of cardboard paper and scoop the bleach off to reveal the beautiful white hearts underneath. These shorts already look stunning, but we're gonna make them even more gorgeous by adding some color. Grab a bunch of fabric markers. I'm going for the yellow, pink plus orange one, and I decided to color the first heart in yellow. All we gotta do now is color the hearts just like you do in the coloring books. The best part is that fabric markers are only visible on light fabrics. Therefore, you don't have to be too neat and precise because the color won't show up if you color outside the heart lines. Turn your shorts around and color the hearts on the back as well. How flipping cute are these colorful heart shorts, right? I love the bleach gel technique as it allows you to upcycle old shirts and pants into completely new and unique pieces. Have fun drawing or writing on your clothes and be creative with your designs. I think it's so difficult to find cute and unique clothes like this in stores, but that's not a problem for us because we can simply DIY them. We're not completely summer ready without beautiful summer nails, right? I'll show you how to make this stunning beach nail art inspired by Janelle. And don't worry, it is so easy to make. You should give it a go even if you've never tried nail art before. Start by painting all your nails in white. I like to apply 2 coats for a fully opaque result. White nails already look super summery to me, but we will make them way more epic. A pure summer vacation on the nails. Grab a sand-colored nail polish and apply it on the ring finger and the thumb. It will represent a sandy beach, so any kind of beige nail polish will work. To make our tropical beach or pretty and sparkly, we have to apply a layer of golden glitter polish on top. 1 or 2 layers are more than enough, since we still want lots of that sand color to show up. On the remaining 3 fingers, we're creating the moment when beautiful turquoise waves hit the shore. Grab a sponge and apply a stripe of beige polish, followed by light blue stripe, and lastly a medium blue nail polish. Quickly dab the sponge on the nail to create a beautiful beachy gradient. You can repeat the step to make the colors more vibrant and opaque. I love how mine turned out, so it's time for a cleanup. Soak a Q-tip in acetone and clean the skin around the nail. Apply a small amount of gold glitter polish on the top part of the nail where we have the sand. To create the white foam which forms when waves crash on the beach, we'll be using water spotted technique. Fill a glass with room temperature water. Take a white nail polish and drip 1 to 2 drops in the glass. The polish should spread on the water surface like that. Quickly grab a hairspray and spray on the water surface. The alcohol in the spray breaks up the polish layer and creates a spotty design. Dip your finger into the area you like best. Grab a toothpick and clean the remaining nail polish from the water surface. Pull the finger out of the water and reveal this cool beach waves inspired design. Since we don't want to have this sea foam all over the finger, clean it up with a Q-tip soaked in acetone. Time to repeat the water spotted technique on the other 2 nails as well. Instead of a hairspray, you can also use body mist, perfume, or any other product which contains alcohol. As you can see, this nail art is so easy to make. There's no freehand drawing, dotting, or anything like that. Lastly, we need to apply a layer of fast-drying top coat to seal the design and protect the polish from chipping. These nails turned out absolutely amazing. A perfect summer manicure for sure. I love how fun they were to make with the sponge gradient and water-spotted marbling. Looking at this, I really wish I'd be on a tropical sunny beach right now. But oh well, having this paradise on my nails will have to do it for now. Anyway, I'll probably wear this design all summer long. New obsession on the rise? Yup, I'm pretty sure about that. You don't have to travel to exotic places to make your summer amazing. Be creative, try out new things, and every day will become an exciting adventure. Now you guys are all ready for summer, but I know that some of you are actually going towards winter, so I really want to know, where do you guys live? Let me know in the comments in which country you are right now. It would be so amazing to see where all those artists are located. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Mwah! Whether you spend your summer on a tropical sandy beach or at home, remember the tan lines will fade, but the memories will last forever. Wish you all an unforgettable summer!